Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook from absolute zero step by step, and this video is especially for people who just created a Facebook account, anyone who wants to use Facebook properly and safely. And I will explain every button, every section and every feature slowly and clearly, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Facebook is a social networking app and website. It allows you to connect with people digitally. On Facebook you can talk to friends and family, watch videos and reels, join communities called groups, follow pages related to news, beauty, study, jobs or entertainment. So first you need to open your Facebook app if you have not downloaded. So you can simply go to the App Store. Over here there's a search bar in the bottom right corner, type down Facebook. Over here select Facebook and you can download it from here. And after you download it, you can simply select to the open, and on the bottom there's a create new account. Select to the create new account and again tap on create new account and enter your real name. And after you're done, select to the next. You're also required to type down your birthday, and after that you can select to the next. So select which gender best describes you, and after you're done, select to the next. Over here you are required to type down your mobile number, or if you want to sign up with email you can do that as well by simply selecting sign up with email. Type down your email. After you're done, select to the next. So here you are required to create a password and make sure the password is strong enough. And after you're done, select the next. Here you are required to agree to the Facebook's terms and policies. Select to the agree. So here what you can do is you will get the confirmation code in your Gmail account. So simply paste down your confirmation code. And here you'll get a confirmation code in your email address. So go to the Facebook over here and simply press on this confirmation and select copy and go back to the code. Go back to the Facebook where the confirmation is needed, and after you're done, tap next. Here I'm just skipping the process right now on the bottom. And if you want to turn on contact uploading to find your friends faster from your contacts, you can do that as well. And after you're done, select to the next on the bottom. And after login, you will see a home page. Let me explain everything clearly. At the bottom left, you can see this Facebook logo of this home page. Clicking this brings back to your home anytime. And on the search bar on the top right corner here, you can search people, pages, groups or posts. By just selecting anything here, you can find the groups. And on the bottom, you could see the friends icon just beside the home icon. Select to that. Over here you'll find all the friend requests and suggestions, and just beside the friends we could see the reels option. In the option here you can watch your videos and reels. You can also like the videos, this reels. You can also comment down in the reels, and there's a profile picture just beside the reels. Over here we could see the settings, and also you can find this profile picture, and just beside the profile picture there's notification bell, and here you'll find all of the friends that has liked your post, comments and tags. And you can select tap edit profile. Here you can add a profile picture, add a cover photo, write a short bio, add details like educations, workplace, current city, hometowns, and this helps friends know who you are. So how you can add your profile picture is just on the top right we could see the add option just beside the profile picture. Tap on that, and on the bottom we could see select profile picture or import from your Instagram. If you want to import any photos from Instagram you can do that as well, but if you want to select any profile picture from your library, select profile picture. Here select any photos from your camera roll, and if you want to restyle, edit or want any frames in your profile picture you can do that by simply selecting any of these options on the bottom. And if you want your profile picture be shared on your feed, you can select this, which automatically is turned on by the Facebook. But if you do not prefer that, so simply toggle off. Simply deselect this option by tapping on that, and after you're done, select to the save. Here we could see you just updated your profile picture. You can also add a cover photo by just tapping on the same process that I just did from the profile. You can add upload a photo. You can also choose cover photo if you want. Select upload photo. Here you can simply choose any photo from your library, and after you're done, select to the top right and select save. And if you want to write about yourself, if you want to describe about yourself, you can also write a short bio describing about yourself and add details like in which city you live in currently, and your pronouns, work, educations, hometown or anything relationship status you want to add. You can simply select add options on this icon here, and you can update your relationship status and other options as well. And after you're done, select to the save. And to share something on Facebook, creating post, you can simply select plus icon in the top right over here, and you can find this option for either you want to post a story, reels or lives. So you can simply select any of this icon here and here we could find this interface on that says review audience. So simply select continue on the bottom, and here if you want your post and reels to be shown by the public, anyone on or off from the Facebook. For reels, this lets anyone use your original audio, so you can select the public. But if you only want your friends on Facebook to see your posts or any reels, you can select your friends. But if you want some people to hide your post, you can simply select on this option that says friends accept, and here you need to choose all the friends that you don't want to view your post. And other friends we could see, another option we could see specific friends. You can select this specific friends as well, and here you find the option that you can only choose the friends that you want your post to be shown. And if you want to view your post only by yourself, you can do that as well by just tapping on only me. And after you're done, select done. Here if you want to put any photos or videos from your library, you can do that by simply selecting photos or video over here, and select any photo that you want and select next on the bottom right. And if you want to add more of the picture, you can simply select on the bottom left corner, there's a picture icon here. You can simply select any photos, how much you want, and after you're done, select next on the bottom right again. And here you can also tag people. On the bottom just beside the photos icon, there's a people icon here, and here you need to just select all the people that you want to tag in this post. You can also set a location here. There's an option here on the location icon. You find all the places that you want to put this on your post, as I'm going to select one of this option here. If you want to search it, on the top there's a search icon as well. Select any location you want to be on your post by simply selecting one of the location here, and that is it. If you want to add any music here, we can see the music icon on the bottom, tap that as well. Here you find all of the trending music, and if you have any saved music, you can find it here. You can add any music by simply selecting on one of the music that you prefer, and you can choose which part of music you like by simply sliding a bit, and after you're done, select on the top right corner done. Here the music has just been added as well, and after you're done, select on the top right corner, there's a post, tap on the post. Here you just added the first post on your Facebook, and your post will appear on your timeline and friends feed as well. And how to interacting with posts: below every post you can either like, you can show appreciations over here. So simply press on this like icon, and here you'll find all of the reaction. You can also tap on any reactions, either love, wow, or any of this here by simply selecting the reaction you prefer, and that is it. If you want to comment, reply, or share opinion, you can do that. Select on this comment icon beside this like, you can comment, and to send that, beside there's a send icon, select that as well. And if you want to share this post, just beside the comment there's a share icon over here. Tap on the share icon, and you can either share it on your feed, you can share it to other social media as well. The next is groups and communities. If you want to know more about group and communities in Facebook, you can simply select tab menu on the bottom right. Over here you can find all the groups. Select on the groups here, and over here you can discover or explore or search topics, study, foods, or jobs. You can also select join if you want to join the group, and groups bring people together around the common interest. And after going back, you could see the settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you can see settings and privacy, and select to that and go to the settings again. And on the Meta Account Center, tap on the Meta Account Center. Here you can get all the information about connected experiences, sharing across profiles, and other devices as logged into this account as well by simply selecting logging in with accounts. And here you can find all the account settings of personal details like your contact information, birthday, and the confirmation as well. And if you want to change your mode in Facebook, you can select this dark mode option here. And here we could see the two options. You either want to turn on your dark mode, or if you do not prefer this, you can simply select off. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you have any trouble using Facebook, then you can simply comment down below and we will reach out to you.